Hello everyone, welcome to the AI Prompt Engineer. Are you ready to become a prompt engineer? So let's go. Today we are going to build a QR code generator using again ChatGPT and a Python. So just write a code for a QR code generator using Python and Tkinter, and where we as a user give an input and we get a QR code for those inputs. So let's type it and let's see the result what we are getting here. And always make sure like your all modules are installed using cmd or whatever, because if those modules are not installed then continuously you will get errors. So make sure about that. And here I also did few errors intentionally to show you like how we can solve those errors using a chat gpt as well. So let's see, we are getting a code, and what we have to do again, just take a code, copy it and paste it in our VS Code generator. So let's see, and always try to prefer to read this text as well, because it will help you to minimize your error possibilities. So let's go to VS Code editor, paste in app.py and save the code. And after saving, just go to the terminal and run the code. But here you can see there is an error is showing for QR code, from QR code embed. You can see in the above fourth line. So this is because this module is not installed yet, so I will get error. So I have to install this, otherwise as you see this is an error, I will get like no module found. So make sure you install all these modules. Just copy this, just I'm showing you the demo, just copy it and paste it in a chat gpt again and hit an enter button. And now chat gpt will give you some more accurate and proper suggestion for that how you can fix these problems. So yeah, here you can see gpt is replacing those things and give me an update code, which will give me a accurate result. So again you are getting the you can see these codes, just copy this code after generating, and let's go to VS Code again. But here you can see gpt is also suggesting, let for running this code make sure pip install package is already installed, this module is already installed, otherwise we will get error. And again just copy it, the updated version, and then save it and go to terminal and run it. But oh yes, we are getting a window. So now just give some url as an input like http:/google.com, and let's try to see either we are getting a QR code or not. Generate button, click on it. Oh no, unfortunately we are getting error. So now this error will be solved using chat gpt. Let's see how. Just copy those error from there, paste it here in chat gpt, and thus wait for gpt reply. And after I remove few portion, but you can see after searching a lot, finally chat gpt is apologizing. Oh my god, it's look like a co-worker, like some workers or some colleagues are apologizing for their mistake. Unbelievable, even ai has this manner as well. Nice. And now ChatGPT is apologizing for his previous answer mistake and giving us more accurate answer to help us in our desired result. So man, it's awesome. It seems like we are in an office. So whenever we are getting error, just put it into a ChatGPT, and it's funny. It seems funny, man. Like GPT is apologizing for his answer. Nice. And just we are getting some now the perfect code. I am hoping that this code is perfect after chat gpt apologize. So let's see either this is going to work or not. And yeah, this will work fine as gpt is saying. Just again go to the VS Code, copy it and paste it here, and make sure to save it. And yeah, after saving, just go to terminal and try to run it on a terminal, and let's see the result. Yo man, boom, we are getting the result here. We are getting a generator. Just hit a google.com url and then click on a generate button, and let's see we are getting result or another error. But no man, yeah, our code is run successfully, and now we are get a QR code which is generated. So using this we are able to generate any url QR code. Even our personal site URL, we are able to generate our personal QR code. And also you can see qr.png, we are getting an image as well here. Just open it and see. Yeah, you can share this QR with anyone, it will help. So thank you, stay tuned for more tutorials and hit subscribe button.